Spoke light. Will it work? Let's find out. What's good, people? You know, I've had this thing for what, at least a year, maybe longer, and I don't remember what I did with the original package. I might have thrown it away. I know up until last winter, this past winter, it was working. Heavy rain, then it got cold, and it just stopped working. Changed the batteries, still wouldn't work. Bought a new one. That worked for a while, then that one went out. I said that I would try one more time changing the batteries, and if it didn't work, I was done with this particular style of bicycle wheel light. So, true to my word, I went out and bought some batteries. Let's see. Part of me wants to be lazy and just use one battery just to see if I can get any life out of it. But I won't cheat you guys out of knowing whether or not to spend money on batteries for something that's not going to work. So, bing. Okay. Screw this cap on. Okay. You all saw these were fresh batteries. I just took them out of the pack. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I want my batteries back. Only once have I actually had a bad Duracell battery. Only once. So, I'm going to assume that it's not the battery. No. It's not the battery. So, a day away, I believe was the name of this. I remember it was something crazy. Now, this is my second time purchasing this light from Day Away. You see anything like this on the internet, be skeptical about purchasing it. You've been warned. That's trash. So, what's next on my agenda? I know I've got some batteries somewhere for okay. I said I was going to review this security lock. And as soon as I can remember what I did with the batteries, I hope I have them here in the garage. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave you guys so I can go track down the batteries. I'll make a video about this wonderful device. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.